Well, this is my second video on making money through taking surveys, whether it's because you're on disability and either physical reasons or mental issues, mental health issues, whatever, or you're a teenager, you want to supplement, you want to make some money, you want to supplement your income if it's on disability. You basically need to make some if it's not money, it's like be able to buy stuff through Amazon or stuff like that. And as the first video I did globaltestmarket.com, I'm going to be doing this one is on Toluna.com. And basically this website I really like because you can make money in and or gift cards. You can get a lot of different things from it. When you go onto the site, you'll see, just like the site, I think I might say tolunaus.com or something like that. But basically, you get into it and you sign up, and you can also, there's also other things that are in there other than to say you can get the rewards, but you get the points and you can claim for a check. There's certain gift cards offerings that they have. There's also PayPal. Then you can also enter into sweepstakes, and they have every month $4,500, I believe, that you enter some of the points, whatever it is, amount of points, into different and you can have as many entries as you want to win the $4,500. And there's also certain items. It could be a PlayStation, what do you call it? PlayStation bundle or something like that that you can enter to win. Then they have another thing, what they call gifties. And these gifties are a type of thing where they're items, and they could be gift cards for like a pizza restaurant or whatever, or they could be like, oh, I've seen like little items for the kitchen, or kitchen mini kitchen appliances, or little mini appliances or whatever. And you could enter with a chance with the points to, as it normally, the gifties are virtual, so they're not real yet. But if in the chance, and you can reveal on the site that it'll tell you if it's real, and if it's real, then they send it to you for free. So that's a nice thing. There's also discussions on the site that you can enter into and talk about different topics, and also you could take surveys on the site as opposed to waiting for the emails to come and saying there's a survey, a particular survey or whatever it is. You can always take more surveys that are available at the day and so forth. So I would say that this Toluna.com is one of my more favorite survey sites, and certainly you can you can do, and if you belong to a few of these different sites that I'm mentioning so far, two of them, you could definitely accumulate the points to then if say you want Amazon credit because you want to buy something through Amazon, or you want to accumulate a lot of it. Or you can, in some cases, on some of these sites, where you can claim a check, or you can claim the digital currency of PayPal, which can be claimed into your bank account. So anyway, I'm just gonna say, that I've done the second video now. If you want to leave a comment or a like, or for whatever, if you feel to do that, I would appreciate anything that you might want to say. And I guess let's see. I'll probably do more videos on the same topic of the using surveys to make some extra money.